Morning guys. Got the plumber coming in an hour. He's going to finish off the bathroom. It's ready for me to do the finishing touches in there. I'm going to crack on getting the tiles grouted, ready for next week when our kitchen should be delivered and fitted. They said Wednesday and Thursday, so hopefully this big empty space here will have a nice shiny new kitchen, and hopefully Fred likes it. But yeah, I'm going to start in the blue room on the floor, get it grouted. Just got to dig out some of the actual tile adhesive joints and get that hoovered out so I don't have brown spots. But anyway, let's crack on.